Welcome to this guide on when to use the Rocket Money Android app. Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help users track and manage their expenses, create budgets, and save money. To get started with Rocket Money, you need to download and install the app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, create an account and link your financial institutions to the app. This will allow Rocket Money to track your spending and provide personalized recommendations for improvement. The Rocket Money app is ideal for individuals who want to take control of their finances and make informed decisions about their money. It is useful for tracking daily expenses, creating budgets, and setting financial goals. The app also helps users to identify areas where they can cut back on unnecessary expenses and allocate that money towards savings or debt repayment. One of the key features of Rocket Money is its ability to categorize transactions and provide detailed reports on spending habits. This information can be used to create a budget that is tailored to your specific needs and financial goals. The app also offers bill tracking and reminders, ensuring that you never miss a payment. When to use Rocket Money depends on your individual financial needs and goals. If you are struggling to make ends meet or want to save for a specific purpose, such as a down payment on a house or a vacation, Rocket Money can help. The app is also useful for individuals who want to pay off debt or build an emergency fund. Best practices for using Rocket Money include regularly reviewing your spending habits and adjusting your budget as needed. It is also important to set realistic financial goals and track your progress over time. By following these best practices and using the Rocket Money app consistently, you can gain a better understanding of your finances and make positive changes to achieve financial stability. In conclusion, the Rocket Money Android app is a valuable tool for anyone looking to manage their finances effectively. By providing a clear picture of your spending habits and offering personalized recommendations, Rocket Money can help you achieve your financial goals and improve your overall financial well-being.